Good morning! I'm now in Boracay and kagaling lang naman ng banana boat at saka parasailing is my first time. Ang saya. And today let's talk about a very powerful mantra that can really change your life. And this mantra, all skills are learnable. Yes, you're just one skill away to being successful. Like for example, you want to get rich, you have to learn something, you have to learn a skill, and that skill can be internet skill. And kasi ngayon, if you don't know about internet, kasi hindi ka na millennial, batalo talaga ang hindi marunong ng internet ngayon. And also, you want to get rich, you have to learn something about managing your money, growing your money, investing your money, and that can be learned because all skills are learnable and that will make you successful. Ako dati, hindi rin ako marunong ng internet, pero inaral ko talaga yan. Nag-aral ako ng income internet intensive. Tapos first time na ginawa ko yon, nag-aral ako, wala akong natutunan. So I enrolled again in that course, and sa second time na nag-enroll ako, nag-learn ako, and pinuproceed ko pa yon ng internet mastery sa Bali. And ngayon, I'm providing online tools to my group. So ang galing talaga because all skills are learnable. The driving skills, managing your emotions, your money, managing your money, investing, growing. Inaaral ko talaga yan lahat kasi kailangan natin yan para maging successful. So yun lang, all skills are learnable. As long as you're willing to learn, you can do it, you can learn it. Kasi if you are open to that mantra, then you'll have a lot of possibilities in your life. Kasi hindi ka na restricted, hindi ka na limited sa kaya mong gawin. Because all skills are learnable. So yun lang, and together, let's make it our mission to help people live better every day.